A vehicle's dashboard illuminates with an infrequent warning, indicating a complex powertrain fault, yet standard onboard diagnostics yield only a generic code. Technicians then confront a labyrinth of potential causes, where isolated sensor readings provide insufficient insight into the root anomaly. This diagnostic opacity often leads to laborious troubleshooting, component swapping based on conjecture, and significantly extended vehicle downtime, imposing considerable financial and operational burdens on both owners and fleet managers. The challenge lies in deciphering these subtle, multivariate indicators that precede a definitive system failure. Conventional automotive diagnostic systems typically rely on pre-programmed fault trees and static threshold comparisons. When a sensor value deviates beyond a predefined limit, a specific diagnostic trouble code is generated. This architecture, while effective for discrete, hard component failures, struggles profoundly with intermittent issues, degradation over time, or complex synergistic failures where multiple minor anomalies collectively lead to a system-wide problem. These systems lack the inherent capability to learn from historical data or to infer complex causal relationships beyond their pre-coded logic, thus limiting their capacity for true predictive analysis. The emergence of machine learning offers a paradigm shift in automotive diagnostics. Instead of fixed rules, AI-driven systems leverage advanced algorithms to continuously analyze colossal volumes of real-world operational data from diverse vehicle fleets. Their fundamental objective is to identify intricate, non-obvious patterns and correlations that signify impending component degradation or system malfunctions. This methodology transitions vehicle health monitoring from a reactive, event-driven process to a proactive, continuously optimizing predictive framework, fundamentally altering how faults are anticipated and addressed. These advanced systems are fed vast quantities of telematics data, encompassing hundreds of parameters, engine temperature fluctuations, transmission fluid pressure variances, subtle changes in braking dynamics, and environmental conditions like ambient temperature and humidity. When a confirmed fault occurs, the system logs not only the fault code itself but also a detailed temporal sequence of all preceding operational data points, alongside the specific context leading to the failure and the subsequent repair action. This comprehensive data integration allows the AI to develop highly nuanced models capable of recognizing complex pre-failure signatures. Each new piece of fault data, paired with its detailed operational context and repair solution, serves as a crucial training example for the machine learning model. Consider a scenario where a specific fuel injector in a particular engine variant consistently exhibits a minute, unlogged pressure drop for several driving cycles before a misfire code is finally triggered. The AI, through iterative learning, adjusts the weighting and influence of this subtle pressure drop alongside other correlated parameters, progressively enhancing its sensitivity and accuracy in predicting similar future failures, thus refining its underlying statistical framework. A significant advantage of these learning systems is their ability to discern recurrent design or manufacturing weaknesses within specific vehicle models or even distinct production batches. By aggregating and analyzing fault data across thousands of identical vehicles, the system can statistically pinpoint components or subsystems that exhibit an abnormally high failure rate under particular operational stresses. For example, a particular cooling fan motor might consistently fail prematurely in vehicles operating primarily in high-dust environments, a correlation that would be nearly impossible to detect through conventional, isolated diagnostic procedures. This deep, model-specific insight enables a truly personalized approach to vehicle maintenance. Moving beyond generic manufacturer-recommended intervals, an AI-equipped vehicle can generate precise, data-driven maintenance recommendations tailored to its individual usage profile, historical component wear, and the statistically derived probability of future component failure. A vehicle predominantly used for short, urban commutes might receive an earlier alert for brake pad replacement, while a long-distance highway vehicle might prioritize differential fluid checks, based on distinct wear patterns. The bedrock of any effective machine learning diagnostic system is the continuous, high-fidelity acquisition of data. Modern vehicles integrate an extensive network of sensors, monitoring everything from microscopic vibrations and acoustic signatures to fluid levels and electrical loads across hundreds of control units. These diverse data streams are typically consolidated by the vehicle's telematics unit and securely transmitted via cellular networks to centralized cloud-based analytics platforms. Robust encryption and anonymization protocols are critical to ensure data integrity and privacy throughout this transmission process. Raw sensor data, in its unprocessed form, often lacks the optimal structure for direct machine learning model input. Feature engineering is a meticulous process where domain experts and data scientists transform this raw data into more informative variables, known as features. This might involve calculating complex metrics such as the variance of engine RPM over a fixed interval, the correlation between exhaust gas temperature and fuel consumption, or the frequency of specific event patterns. These newly engineered features amplify subtle signals that are more directly indicative of impending mechanical or electrical degradation. The architectural diversity of machine learning algorithms allows for specialized problem solving within diagnostic systems. Support vector machines are often employed for classifying fault states based on complex sensor parameter boundaries. Time series analysis, frequently using long short-term memory neural networks, proves highly effective in processing sequential data patterns to predict failures based on historical operational trends. Anomaly detection techniques, such as isolation forests, are continuously active, flagging any deviation from established normal operating baselines, providing an early warning for unknown or novel failure modes. The deployment of these sophisticated systems is not without significant technical hurdles. Managing and processing petabytes of diverse, high-velocity data requires scalable cloud infrastructure and efficient database architectures. Furthermore, interpreting causal links within complex, multivariate models remains a research challenge, a phenomenon known as the black box problem. Ensuring model robustness against sensor drift, adversarial data injection, and maintaining interpretability for technician confidence are ongoing development priorities. Prior to any widespread operational deployment, machine learning diagnostic models undergo rigorous validation using extensive, independently curated datasets containing both normal operation and known fault events. Performance metrics such as precision, recall, F1 score, and ROC-AUC are meticulously evaluated to quantify the model's accuracy and reliability in identifying true positives while minimizing false alarms. Upon successful validation, these optimized models can be deployed, either as real-time inference engines within the vehicle's electronic control units or as powerful analytical tools within a cloud-based service center. The tangible benefits of AI-powered predictive diagnostics are profound. By anticipating component failures before they escalate, these systems significantly reduce the incidence of catastrophic breakdowns, thereby extending the operational lifespan of critical vehicle subsystems and the vehicle as a whole. This proactive maintenance minimizes unscheduled downtime for commercial fleets, maximizing asset utilization and revenue generation. Furthermore, by ensuring optimal component health, these systems can subtly contribute to sustained fuel efficiency and reduced emissions throughout the vehicle's lifecycle. The capabilities of these machine learning diagnostic systems are intrinsically dynamic, continuously expanding with increased data volume, computational power, and algorithmic advancements. Future iterations are poised to integrate an even broader spectrum of contextual data, including real-time traffic density, road surface quality, local weather patterns, and even individual driver behavior profiles, allowing for an unprecedentedly granular and adaptive diagnostic capability. The trajectory is towards truly self-aware vehicles that learn and evolve their understanding of their own operational limits and health. The transition towards machine learning-driven diagnostics represents a transformative shift in automotive engineering and maintenance philosophy. It envisions a future where vehicles are not merely machines, but intelligent entities capable of introspection, self-diagnosis, and proactive communication regarding their own health status. This embedded intelligence transforms vehicle ownership and fleet management from reactive problem-solving to a continuously optimized, highly personalized, and ultimately more reliable operational experience for every vehicle throughout its operational life.